Hi, in this video we are going to look at how to add arrow labels to the alignments. Arrow labels means the direction arrow. It pointed to the direction where the alignment goes. So if I see this alignment, I have the alignment but I don't know from where to where this alignment goes. So if you don't have labels on the alignment weaving, so if you need to know from where to where the alignment is going, it is better to have the uh, direction arrow label on the alignment. So to do that, I'll select or click on the alignment. From here, from the contextual ribbon tab, I go to edit alignment style, and you can do it in a new alignment style if you need. Otherwise, you can do it on the current alignment style as well. So you need to go to this display tab, then click on this arrow and click apply. So you will see it will show the direction arrow on the alignment. So if you need to customize this arrow, you need to go to this markers, and from there you need to set the parameters. You can set the arrows size, you can set the scales, and you can set what type of arrow you need in the alignment, and also this fit options, which is one of the most important things here. So fit option means how this arrow fit into your alignment sections. Likewise, if you see here, you have the arrow every time at the center of a entity. So in this straight section you have the arrow on the center, in the curve section you have arrow on the center, but you can see at the end you cannot see any arrow. That is because you are set it is to omit, because the arrow length is more than the straight section length here. So in that case it will omit the arrow. So if you need to show the arrow at those cases also, you can set always true. So if I apply here, you can see it is appearing here. Also you can set omit here, so that shrink here, so that it will have a smaller version of the arrow in that section. You can see this is a smaller version of that arrow in that section. So if you want to change the size of the arrow, you can say 0.5 millimeters, and you can set it to a smaller value or a larger value. Also size options are there here. So that is how to add the direction arrow to our alignment in Civil 3D.